Going up.
Okay, and of course at this point, dear folks, it is now time that we are now going to greet and sing a happy birthday song to Miss Rachel Kane. And now, she is about to blow her birthday cake over here together with Mommy and of course, si Kuya. Ayan. So of course, everybody, before anything else, I would like to request ang lahat, magsipagtayo po tayo ulit. Let us all rise and stand one more time. Dahil sabi ko nga kanina, we are all a part of this program and celebration, so we are going to join along together, okay? So, ito na. Ayan. So, tinatabi na rin po natin si Daddy. Yes. Kaya po buhatin ni Mother po yung cake, Mami. Ayan, isang alat po ni Kuya and Daddy. Si Mami na po muna. Okay, while we're fixing the cake, everybody, ganito po ang gagawin, ha? So I'll be counting 1, 2, 3, and everybody here on our audience will sing. Magkakanta po tayo muna ng malakas na happy birthday song to Miss Michelle. And para po mas masaya at mas marami pong impact na pwede tayo pumalakpak while singing, para po may konti tayong pa-sound effects, okay? And at the same time, at the end of our singing, we will once again greet her happy birthday, Rachel, at the end, okay? Picture ko na siya ng family. Para rin po ako ng lighter or a phosphor po. Para po masisihan yung cake. Yan, lighter or phosphor po. Anyone? Ano? Kaya po? Kaya po? Kuya? Ayan. Everybody get ready. At the count of 3, I will count. And of course, we will sing together po. Itaas na natin, ibigay na natin ang pinakamataas na level ng ating energy para kay Miss Michelle. Okay? So, we're ready? Wait lang. Okay. Let me know. Everybody, remain standing po tayo, ha? And nais ko po sana mapakinggan ng mga boses po ninyo na halos kakadundong sa buong venue po natin. No? So, we are expecting you to do that. Okay? Ready? Boss DJ, ready? Here we go, everyone! And for 3, 2, 1, everybody sing! Let's go! Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Louder, come on! Happy birthday to you. One more time, everybody, mas malakas sa iyo. Come on! Hey! Once again, everybody, we don't have the applause. Sabay-sabay natin isigaw. Happy birthday, Rachel Kane! And Rachel, everybody say! Maraming salamat po. Sabihin sa atin muna. Sabihin sa atin po. Okay. Boss DJ, thank you. Ayun. Thank you so much, everybody. At muli, please remain standing po pa rin tayo. Manatili po na lahat.